Hey guys, this is Hussein and I'm recording this video just to show you the comparison between the BTC and the cake. So which one you should buy at the moment, right? So if you look all the two tokens right here, you will see that they are like in a downtrend, right? And it's like they have just broken and retested. Obviously, there are multiple ways to draw a trend line, right? But there is a possibility that the BTC has broken the downtrend and it might be it could be a if you just look at it, it could be it could be just the correction of this downward impulse, right? Or this could be a new impulse or the start of the new impulse if you look at the daily chart, right? So there are both possibilities, right? But actually the real thing that I wanted to show you guys here is that is actually same is the case with the cake, right? So it is like same like the BTC, right? Obviously BTC is like a mother token to all the altcoins, and whatever BTC does, all the other coins follows it with a little bit of lag, right? So if you check that whether it's a good point to actually invest in the BTC or the cake, right? So if you look at the all-time high, all-time recent high, you can say it like it's around 68,500, right? So it's something like, you can call it like maybe 70,000, right? So right now it is at 42,000, and you are this could go like 70,000, right? So if you measure it from the percentage, so I'm using this measure tool, right? So if from the current price you measure, so even if it reaches, so the like this is not guaranteed that it will reach the same highest level, right? But let's assume that if it reaches to the highest point, right, so that will make only the 61% of your total earnings, right? But let's maybe talk let's see how it is on the cake, right? So right now the cake price is at $8, right? Let me just get rid of these two lines, right? Okay, and just give me a second, hold on for a second. Okay, I just want to remove it, right? Okay. Okay, if you measure basically from the current price, right? So let's say this is the current price and I want to measure that, okay, the all-time high for the cake is actually $44, and right now it is at the $8, right? So if you buy this asset, and also it's at the all-time low, right? But instead BTC is not the all-time low. So the BTC can still fall. There's so much room below that it can grab some liquidity from here, and then it can go up and something like that. But with the cake, it's like we are already at the lowest point, right? So there is obviously still a room and risk available, right? But most the opportunity says us, or and the probability says us that if it reaches to the same height, the same we talked about the BTC, and you measure the percentage, right? So it's like 443%, right? So if you buy the cake at the current price, obviously if the asset increases, if for example if the BTC reaches the same height, right? So obviously all the altcoins will follow it, and there will be the highest probability that the cake will also reach its same highest value, right? And if it does that, the gains are enormous as compared to the BTC. So in my opinion, if BTC has started a push up, right, then it's best that if you hold any BTC or any USDT, then you can convert to uh, cake or some other altcoins. Obviously I'll make more videos in future to show you the opportunities on the other tokens as well, but I think cake is a good opportunity for now. Thank you.